Hey guys, welcome back to Sgcarmart Reviews, and today we are going to do another auto part review, and we are going to check out the all-new Dunlop SP Sport Maxx 060 Plus. The tyres that are great for luxury and performance but comfortable enough for everyday daily drivers. You know what I mean? If this sounds familiar, that's because Desmond has already reviewed it on a luxury car, but today we're going to take a look at the tyres and how it performs on a performance car. So listen, if you're like most Singaporean drivers, you won't really take notice of your tyres on a very regular basis. So long as they're not deformed, they're working well, everything's fine, right? Well, not so. Just because tyres are working well on the dry, does not mean that it will work well on the wet roads. And you don't want to wait till it's too late to find out, like say, losing traction on the road. Now, measuring the tread depth of your tyre sort of lets you know just how worn out your tyres are and whether or not it needs to be swapped out, right? LTA regulates 1.6 millimeters. You can actually make use of a depth gauge to find out just how deep it is, whether or not your tyres are completely worn out. Now, a fresh set of tyres obviously is a different story altogether. It will give you better stability, better grip, and more importantly, better water displacement on wet roads. Now, if you're the sort of driver who's very into spirited driving, you might want to consider switching to tyres that can really fulfill your driving enthusiasm. Now, if you bought a car that came with eco tyres, which are meant to last long, I think it's high time to consider changing to something that can really take a little bit of punishment on the road. So in the Euro R's case, for instance, right here that you see, it hasn't been fitted with performance tyres yet, but it'll be perfect if it's fitted with the Dunlop SP Sport Maxx 060 Plus. Now, these tyres are designed for optimum road contact, high braking force, and of course, improved cornering grip in dry road conditions. And not forgetting, there are also water evacuation grooves that help to reduce hydroplaning and provides that sort of stability and control in wet road conditions. So I'm driving the Honda Accord Euro R right now. It's no Type R, I'll tell you that. I've been driving this car for several days now, fitted with the old set of tyres that came with it. It's quite grippy. So long as you're not driving like a madman, you don't go in the corners too late, too fast, and not coming out at all, it's fine, you won't oversteer. It's a risk I'm not willing to take. I mean, this isn't my car, right? So it's a risk I'm not willing to take. Plus, the tyres has been used for quite a while already. So you kind of don't feel as secure as before, but it's still very comfortable. It's not the quietest, but it's a Euro R, so I'm not complaining. But anyway, we're supposed to head to the workshop now to find out exactly how the tyre test works out. We'll probably just go there and swap tyres and see what happens. Yes! Woohoo! Look at this car. So this is the same car that's been fitted with the new set of tyres, and I'm telling you, I know it's very difficult for me to convey how it feels and the difference over video to tell you about the new set of tyres, but man, let me tell you something, man. This car right now feels brand new with this new set of tyres. It is so much more secure, so comfortable, so much grip. Best of all, it's still very, very comfortable. I mean, it is great, man. I'm just wondering, why didn't the previous owner change to this new set of tyres earlier? I've been driving this car for a while now with the old set of tyres, and it felt very normal. It just felt like it could do normal stuff, right? But with this new set of tyres, it feels immediately more accurate, more confident, and definitely more secured, especially on wet roads. It's been drizzling it's been raining the whole day, so that seems to be the problem. But I mean, I'm enjoying these tyres because I don't feel that I need to second guess. I don't feel that I can't read the tyres. You know, it's all thanks to the tyres' high, dry, and wet grip capabilities that allow you to just follow the lines very neatly and push the car harder than usual. I feel like the SP Sport Maxx 060 Plus is a very well-balanced tyre between high performance and comfort, right? Which is precisely why it's a flagship model. It's not overly uncomfortable, it's not overly noisy as well, which is always a good thing, especially when you're carrying the family around. Now, if you think about this, right? Imagine you have an old pair of running shoes, you've been using it for several years now. You can use it for anything on a daily basis. I mean, you could walk, jog, run. By and large, you'll do anything you want it to do without realizing if there's anything wrong with it, right? But it's only when you decide to get a new pair of high-performance running shoes that you can actually tell the drastic contrast between the two. And all of a sudden, it feels grippier, more secured, and most importantly of all, comfortable. More comfortable than before. And all these just add up, makes you wonder, why didn't I change to that high-performance running shoes earlier? And that's precisely who I think the Dunlop SP Sport Maxx 060 Plus is for. If you are the sort of person who wants to go faster and you want to have better grip on the roads, you want comfort and yet you want to feel secured, then this set of tyres is definitely for you. I mean, if you were to ask me, will I buy the Dunlop SP Sport Maxx 060 Plus? Yes, I would, in a heartbeat. It's almost like a no-brainer because it's quieter, it's faster, it's grippier, it's so many things, you know? So many things that's good about these tyres. A lot of you out there will probably think, there's no need to change my tyres, I don't feel the need to. And in all honesty, I would probably feel the same way too. It's only until I tried this new set of tyres that I decided that, you know what, there is a very, very big difference, especially in the wet. Plus, I mean, look on the bright side, man. I mean, Dunlop actually developed these tyres to look good as well. You have those nano letterings on the sidewall. And according to Dunlop, at least these tyres will last 40% longer than its predecessor. Which means, in the long run, you're going to save some money too. So if you're looking for a flagship tyre that's high in reliability, performance, as well as ride comfort for your premium car, CUV or SUVs, you might want to try out the all-new Dunlop SP Sport Maxx 060 Plus. Now, according to Dunlop, it comes with 59 different sizes for your cars and CUVs, and the best part of all, it is made in Japan. So before I leave you guys, I just want to give a big shout out to Dunlop for sponsoring this new set of tyres, as well as Ricardo for installing them. So if you ever want to install these new sets of tyres, at least you know where to go. Thank you very much for watching. In the meantime, stay safe and be well, and do comment in the comment box below to let us know what you think about the new Dunlop tyres. Ciao!